Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are learn Python list and set. So let's start guys. Our first topic is list. What is list? List is a connection of item stored in a variable. Why use list? It's mainly used here because store many variable together, access item by their position, then add, remove or change item easily. Let's go to see some example of list. Now we come our code editor base code. Now start. Now I am writing here a list. I write here list name A. A equals it must be give third bracket. Then I give her suppose 10, 20, then 30, 40, 50. Now I what to do? I also can give her another value. Suppose I give her string I give here put logic, and then I give her my name Jihad. Now let's it print to see what happened. I give her now print A. First I want to full list print. How it's print. Now let's see what is working here. Let's I run this code. You can see here it's showing me full list on 10, 20, 30, 46, 50 Codelogic and Jihad. Overall showing. Now I want to that's I want print just number just put logic. I want print. So what I have to do? Now notice here what happened. This list always Python list always count start index number type. Index number first use 0 number index, then 1 number index, then 2 number index, then 3 number, then 4, then 5. My code logic have index number 5. Okay, now let's what to do. I write here print then I give second minute. I write here this list 5 number index number 5. It's automatic show me when I run this code. It's show me code logic. Now let's run this code. Guys, you can see here showing us code logic. Okay, now one topic I have another to notice you. I can also give here to print. Suppose I want to print 20. I another way to can print here print it. How can it's not merely jihad have how many numbers jihad. Okay, then 0 1. I can give here -2. If I give -2, it can print me it's print me 20. Now let's see this code what happened. Showing us print A, then I give her what I giving -2. Now let's see this code and showing. Oh sorry guys, it's now let's see to print. Now I am right here A, then give node here. What happened here? 0 It's mainly index number. If you count it, you can see 1 2 0, index number 0 1, then 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, when I write here minus, I want print 20, then I this minus I give here. Then this case, what happened, I am showing you minus 2. Now I count here 1 1 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6. What happened, minus 6, when I give here minus 6, it print me 20. Now let's run this code. You can see guys, here is showing, Python program is showing us 20. Then now let's start another topic. What is a set? Set is a collection of unique items. Then why we are use set? It's remove duplicates value, check if item exists very quickly, platform matters, operations like unique and intersection, perform mathematical operation like unique and intersection. So guys, let's see example. Suppose I write here row equal, I write here second bracket, then I give 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now I it is a simple set. I print it. I run this code. It's showing me 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I have what to do. I want to remove this item 3. I want to remove 3. Okay, let's what to do. I give her row dot remove. What I remove? I want to remove 3. Now I print this code. What is showing? It's showing me 1 2, but 3 have not. Now you can see here our result is showing us. If I want to add Codelogic, I want to now add Codelogic in this set. What I do to do? I use add built-in function. Now I have to do row dot add, then I write here Codelogic. Then I print row, then I run this code. You can see here it's showing us Codelogic in our set. Thanks for watching this video.